Welcome to this episode of Season Scholar, Season 3. We have been following Professor Ray for from the first season, and somehow the time has come. And now today we have with us Professor Chittaranjan Ray, who is permanent director of the Nebraska Water Center. And he is also by training, he is a civil engineer, and he did his PhD from University of Illinois. And he has been a thorough profile where he has been chief environmental engineer at University of Hawaii before Nebraska, and he also worked after PhD at Illinois State Water Survey. He's someone who is really at the top of bridge of quantity and quality, which is very much important for water security. Because nowadays, just an expert of quality or just an expert of quantity perhaps will not work. And he has a lot of work in India also. And so welcome to this, sir. It is very pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Manish.
But if you would retire, would you like to come back to India?
Yeah, definitely. I'm thinking right now, all these connection I'm making basically one or two places where things can be done with this poor. So the Odisha tribal poor, that Bill Mulligan's initial pre-proposal, that was the focus. I hope a good friend of mine, somebody comes as the vice chancellor as Odisha Agricultural University, because they have a strong connection with the locals and the natives, especially the tribal population. And then I'm quite happy that Penan Chinnasamy from IIT Bombay, the sitar person, he came from the US PhD, undergraduate and PhD, and then worked in a CGIAR system. And I'm trying to work with him to look into bringing the issues, the rural issues, into the the banks and NABARD or other entities. They have a stake in the game also. They are the lenders. So what they can do really for the rural poor, how to grow things in a sustainable way. So those are kind of the things talking about. It doesn't have to be all voluntary. You can do certain things. It can be a profit-making organization, but try to employ or train people in the tribal areas who can take care of things. Another thing I have in my mind that someday I hope I get connected with folks at the Kalinga Institute of Social Science, KISS. I don't know if you guys know that. Some 25,000-30,000 tribal kids are a boarding school, free education. So some of those kids, can they really be coming to technology streams or something, can help rural vitalization in those areas, remote areas.